Hi, this is Jennifer with MusicEducatorResources.com, and today is music teacher tip number 7. So if you are an independent studio owner, you might like this tip. If you've ever had students that show up to lessons way too early, there's nothing more annoying than having a student show up 10, 15, 20 minutes. I've even heard 30 minutes early. And you're not ready for them, nor are you ready to start teaching. Maybe they're their first lesson of the day. Well, I have a really good tip for you that has worked well for me over the years, and this is why I'm outside, because I wanted to show you my front door. So this is my little tip for you, is to put a sign on your door that says piano lessons in session. This does a couple things. This helps students to know that you are now ready for them to come to the door for their lesson. It also tells others that if they're not students, to not disturb you. So let's go look at this a little bit tighter. Students, please enter quietly and get ready for your lesson. If you're more than 5 minutes early, please wait on the bench. If you're not a student, please do not disturb if at all possible. You may leave a message on the notepad by the door. For more information on lessons, visit, and then I give my website, and thank you. And then the notepad on the door is just right there. And sometimes I have students, they'll write a little note on it, which I love. It always makes me feel good when I see little notes from my students on there. So what I do is when I meet initially with new students, I will explain the note on the door, especially if they're the first lesson of the day. I'll let them know that I'm not ready for them until that note is on the door. And so they will wait in their car until they see the note on the door, and I'll put it up just a few minutes before the lesson time starts. And then it also reminds the other students that come after to not come more than 5 minutes early, that if they're too early to, there's a seat on the porch. I'll kind of actually walk over here and show you. Sorry for the outside noise. Let's see if I can. So here's the outside porch, and there's a bench out there and chairs that they could sit there and wait until it's their lesson time. I can't tell you how well this works. It's a matter of just training your parents to keep an eye out for the sign on the door, and then when it's up, they know it's time that they could go up to the door and get ready for their lesson. So that is my music tip for today, and I hope that helps you so you don't have the problem of having students arrive way too early. Happy teaching.